Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another read for you. Libra, this one is going to be a you and yours read, which is going to be you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. So let's begin. Let's begin with a little prayer. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Libra gang and send them the messages and advice required the most for the person who's affecting their energy at this point. Thank you. So Libra, the you and yours, my old subscribers know about this, but if you're new here, is a reading for you and the person who's been affecting your energy. This could be your mother-in-law, could be your parent, could be your child, could be a lover, could be an ex, could be a secret admirer, could be your boss. Okay, so you would know who I'm going to be talking about today. But before that, let's take one blessing card for our angels and see how they're going to bless the situation or guide you. So my angels, a blessing or an advice card for my Libra gang, please. Blessing or an advice card for my Libra gang. This one, all right. Let's keep this here, Libra. Let's put the rest back. So the card I get for you, Libra, here is healing. All right, I have no clue what you guys are going through, but if you have been through a bad time, it's either you who requires the healing, and my angels are promising you that healing is being sent to you, or either to heal you or the situation that you are involved with. Okay, so healing is going to be very important for you, Libra, either for you or maybe you have to do it for another. Okay, so if there's been a fight, there's been something happening here, it's time now to bring things back into balance, Libra style, and kind of heal the situation. So we'll get to know more as the cards open as to what this situation is all about. So let's begin your read. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. I'm very, very grateful for all your comments and your likes. I'm blessed. Thank you. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra, newbies, let me explain this once again. Not once again, I haven't told you this till now. I'm putting down two sets of cards here. One is going to be for you, one is going to be for your person, and in the center we'll take three cards for your mutual energy, any guidance or any advice that you may require. So, and if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Six of Swords in reverse, bottom of my deck. Either somebody went a wrong direction here in a situation, Libra, and that's going to be the crux of the story today. Or maybe somebody wants to return back to something. That could be another possibility. So let's open your cards and see where we go. So for the duration of the reading, Libra, this is person A for me, this is person B, and here's your card right up front. It's the Justice card, but in reverse. And this is going to be person B for me. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? And you'll know the person I'm talking about because each of you has somebody in your world, I guess, who is dealing with a dynamic like this. Second card I have here for you is the Hermit in reverse. Two of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Eight of Cups. Okay, person B. King of Cups, Death, Seven of Swords, Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups, and the Ten of Pentacles. All right. So let's start with person A's energy. I think person A feels whatever has happened between the two of you has not been right. It's been very unjust. Things have not been balanced. Justice has not, been part of the equation here. They feel they have not received what they should have from this dynamic. And I think there could have been a situation where once this person realized that there is no justice in this dynamic, person A started holding back from person B. They said, I'm no longer going to give to person B anymore. Or this could be, if this is a job or a money situation, maybe this person is going through some a time of their life where they are securing their pentacles here. But whatever said and done, if it's a relationship, this person is holding back from person B. They have thought about this dynamic for quite a while, I think, but now they want to come out of this stuck place that they find themselves in. They've made up their mind that I'm not going to be stuck in a situation which is not balanced. I'm now going to get out of overthinking the situation. Maybe I was making an unwise decision, or maybe some unwise decisions have been made in this dynamic. So whatever the case is, person A has decided once and for all, I'm not going to stay stuck in a place which is going to give me turbulence, which is going to be rocky, which is not going to give me peace. I am now picking myself up and I'm moving ahead to a calmer, happier space in my life. This is a firm decision made by person A. Now they are thinking that they're taking stock of their life, basically. They are, I think, securing their pentacle. They are holding back from person B. They don't want to be overthinking a situation. They're coming out of hermit mode. They are moving ahead to a calmer space in their life. They have made a decision now to invest only in things which can give them creative new beginnings or happiness, right? They have a lot of passion and more, they're leaving somebody behind, it seems. They're walking away from somebody, from a dynamic, and they're thinking, what should I invest in now? And what is going to give me forward movement? What is going to give me excitement and happiness in my future? So what's this Two of Swords, Spirit? Two of Swords for person A. Maybe this person was a bit indecisive in the past, and they've spent a lot of time in solitude and hermit mode. They had a decision to make, and they maybe were waiting for person B to make a decision with them or for them. But since this decision has not been made, I think person A has decided, I'm going to make it by myself, and I'm going to now be very mindful of who and what I invest in. So, Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, they just want to be happy, and now they are going to be very mindful of who and what they're going to be investing in. They are taking their time now to think about where I should invest, how much should I invest so that I can have my Ten of Cups and be emotionally satisfied. I think whatever the dynamic they're leaving behind has not given them that emotional satisfaction. So, Ace of Wands, Spirit? Ace of Wands? Ace of Wands. Yes, they feel this, whatever dynamic they were in was very imbalanced. It's taken them a long time to heal from whatever situation. Yes, see the healing card? No wonder the healing card was here. This was a very unbalanced relationship which has bothered person A a lot. And they have now realized that staying in this dynamic is not going to ever allow me to heal. So I think this person is picking themselves up and deciding to move forward in their life. They have made up their mind to walk away from any emotional unhappiness. All these 8 cups are being left behind because they realize that these were empty. They didn't balance my life out. They gave me no emotional satisfaction. So now I'm going to be mindful, and I'm going to go towards my own happiness here. It was crossed. This card was crossed. So yes, they could have been waiting for a reunion, but from what I see, this card came out like this. The 8 of Cups, walking away card, crossed by the 3 of Cups. So I think this person waited a long time for this reunion, but since I think it hasn't happened, person A is now made up their mind. I'm no longer going to wait for any reunion. I'm walking away. So one more card, Spirit, for the 8 of Cups. Where is this person going? They're calling quits. They're calling quits. They're saying, okay, I instead of waiting for a reunion, I call the shots now. I decide that I've been betrayed enough. I'm not waiting for any more swords coming my way. I'm calling this relationship over. Okay, and walking away from a dynamic here. So let's see, person B. Person B has the King of Cups. Now, I have a feeling this king, this whoever this person is on person B side, is a person who has a lot of love in their heart, but they have a little bit of difficulty in expressing their emotions. King of Cups spirit? King of Cups. I think this person is realizing now, they're getting very emotional about the fact that somebody has turned their back and walked away from them. They are also realizing now that yes, this situation has now probably come to an end here. Why? Because of somebody's sneaky behavior, somebody cheated, lied, somebody was immature, maybe used harsh words here, even though there was a lot of emotional happiness that person B was experiencing with person A, I think it has not led to the ultimate happiness because somebody went a wrong direction here. Okay, and that's why the first card was here, where somebody was going towards a wrong direction here. So let's see, death card spirit. What's the death card? The ending has happened, person B is realizing, because somebody here was immature. They could not make up their mind. Maybe they wanted to live a life as if this was a job, this person would want to be a freelancer. Okay, giving an example, if this person was offered a job, they pretended that they didn't want a job, they wanted to be a freelancer, take on as much as they wanted and maybe move to another place, whereas somebody here was maybe offering them at that point a very secure job with health benefits and all the perks and conveyance and everything else. Person A emotionally was manipulative and they rejected this. I think they did something really stupid and sneaky. Now they're realizing, if this is a relationship, it's the same story, right? Somebody dipped in and out of some person A's life, did not take responsibility to take this to a committed, happy Ten of Pentacles place, and now they're realizing that things have totally come to an end here. Somebody has walked away and is now no longer dealing with this. Nobody wants to hire a freelancer because they're never sure whether they're going to get them for the next project, right? So maybe this company or this person wanted a full-time person in their life. So what was this sneaky behavior done, Spirit? What was this cheating, lying, sneaky behavior done? What was this cheating, lying behavior? One more. Whatever was done here led the other person to get very emotionally overburdened and overwhelmed here. They have pulled back their love. This is, I think, person A has pulled back their love from any cheater. This person B could have done something which person A felt was sneaky. They felt that this person was running off whenever they wanted and would return whenever they wanted. So I think person A got fed up of them, drained out all their love which they had for person A, has started moving in their own life, in their own direction after dropping person B. They've dropped person B for good and say, hey, I'm no longer going to be giving my love to somebody who's going to cheat on me, who's going to lie to me, who's never going to be there, who's going to be an immature energy, right? So now I think person B is realizing that they have love for person A, or they have feelings, or they did want this job, but they have realized that with their own behavior, they have lost the trust of person A. Maybe there was a fight here as well. Maybe there were some words exchanged here as well with the Knight of Swords. So what is this Knight of Swords, Spirit? Knight of Swords. Again, the Justice card is in reverse because words were exchanged because somebody called them out. Not only called them out, they, I think, exposed their immature energy, this is like a Knight of Cups is somebody who's romantic or who does have bright ideas and comes with promises of delivering the highest goods, but they never kind of, they end up offering, or no, I end up, they offer the world, but they end up uh, giving only 50%. Okay, because by the time they give 50%, they're bored and they leave for their next target. So person A realized that this is not going to happen. I think there was a small fight as well. Somebody was called out of this injustice which was happening, and forward movement has now been stalled because of all this. So why is the Ten of Cups in the upright for person B then? Spirit? Why is the Ten of Cups here? Why is the Ten of Cups here for person B? They have now realized, person B is now at crossroads here, Libra. This person B is at crossroads now. They have been thinking, they have been planning, they have been wishing and hoping somehow to maybe make amends or heal the situation with person A. They want a rebirth of this connection now, and they know that if when they used to be with person A or they were working together with person A, it gave them the maximum amount of satisfaction here. They were very happy when they were with the person A. Now person A and person B have one thing in common, is the Ten of Cups. I think when you guys were together, you both really made each other happy. This was a wish, but I think something happened in this dynamic where somebody kind of cheated or did something which was not good, and person A has lost hope, called judgment on person B, has called it to end and has walked away from this dynamic. And that's why now their person B's long-term security, safety is now in jeopardy. They can't find a replacement for what they had with person A. Maybe if it's a job, they can't find a job which was good enough, which is offering the same perks. If there was a person, this could be somebody in your family, could be a family relative or a sibling or whatever, somebody in the family who you felt very safe and secure with. Now the person B is not feeling that safety and security anymore. Why is the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? Why is Ten of Pentacles in reverse? Because now they feel this chapter in their life has been shut down, I think by person A. That offer is no longer in the table, and yes, their sunshine is now in reverse now, because there is no hope left. Even though they want it, they know that there is very slim chance, very, very slim chance of them getting back this offer. The Sun in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Sun in reverse? Because somebody is not allowing them back in. That offer may not be on the table anymore, and they are worried about that. And that's why this person knows that they have to really put in too much work now to get this person to lower their defenses and allow them one more chance. I think too many chances have been given here to person B. They have 7 wands here, 6 are here, and 1 is still in their hand. So I think time and time again offers have been given which have been not respected, I think, by person B. And finally, when person A has given up, person B is now realizing the worth of this offer and realizing where that happiness actually was. But they took a wrong turn in their life, and maybe not once, many times. So they want to now come back and heal the situation, which, yes, is a big burden to them now. How am I going to heal the situation now? Things have really, really become bad between us. This is becoming like a burden, I think, to both of you, the mutual energies. Yes, there is a fear. There may not be any reconciliation. There is no more happiness left. And somebody is desperately wanting these 7 swords now to be put down, and please lower your defenses. Let's not fight anymore. And let's see. Let's take clarifiers. 10 of Wands, Spirit. Why is that a mutual energy? 10 of Wands. I think person B has delayed it too long. And the more they are delaying approaching person A for a reconciliation or an apology or to accept an offer, the more delays from 7 wands, the wands are only increasing. Now they've become 10 wands, and they are back breaking now. So as time is going by, as delay is happening, more and more the wands are increasing. It's becoming more and more of a pressure. The more person A is giving up hope, they already are accepting their 10 swords here, and person B is also now worried that a person A is no longer in that space where they will accept an offer from them. So from 7, the wands are only increasing, and it's becoming backbreaking now, emotionally, because of the delay that's happened between the two of you. So 3 of Cups, Spirit. What's this 3 of Cups? The reconciliation is not happening, I think, because of a little bit of ego and pride as well. As time is going by, I think, no, this could be ego and pride, but this could also be somebody knows that a chance of a reconciliation is very slim, but they desperately want to come out of this stressful zone now, so they are planning and plotting that if I just go and ask for the same job back or something, I may not get it back, or my person back. So they are so desperate to have victory that they could offer anything that gets them back onto the seat of power. Okay? They could even go and offer a commitment of something that person A can't refuse. So what's this Hierophant, Spirit? What is this person wanting to do? Right now they're planning and plotting. They are getting enlightened about what it should be. What is it that I can offer, which it can be an offer that person A can't refuse? One more. They know that person A doesn't need their money or their wealth, okay? Because if this is a boss or this is even a relationship, they somewhere know that their money and wealth is going to get them nothing, and that offer will be rejected. So I think what this person is trying to do, they're trying to understand what is it that person A will accept. So you know what they're planning to offer? They're planning to offer a cup of love. I'll be true to you. I promise my faithfulness or honesty and my love and my support. They know that person A will not be able to resist this love. So they're planning to make an emotional offer to person A now, because they know that no amount of showing off their money, wealth, or their degrees or their past work experience is going to impress person A ever again. What they are now trying to get enlightened about the best course of action, and I think what they're coming to is offer them loyalty, love, and trust. That is, they know the pulse of person A, what can get them. They know that's the only way I'll be able to get them to drop these wands which they have against me, and they're blocking my re-entry. Okay, so 7 of Wands, Spirit. 7 of Wands. Seven of Wands in reverse. Yes, I think they want to come back. They're not sure whether they're going to get this new chance with this person A. So I think what they're going to be saying is, since I've been away from us, my life is stuck now. I am weak without you. I feel left out, abandoned. I need your help. They're going to be coming as somebody who needs person A's help. Okay, and they are hoping to, I think, ignite the compassion of person A to give them another chance, and that maybe that's how they're expecting person A to drop their defenses here. So Libra, if this is you, I'm not saying person B is not a good person. They have love in their heart for you. They do want, to be back with you. They have a little bit of difficulty in showing emotions, it seems. And yes, they have they have done something wrong in the past, and they know that you are not going to allow them in. They are trying desperately to get back into your good books, one way or the other. If they could just come straight, which they know they'll be rejected, they would. Okay, so now they are planning a roundabout way to come back into your life. You see whether you can heal the situation with them, if it's worth it, what they meant to you. And person B, if you are planning this, best of luck. Best of luck. This person A is pretty guarded where you're concerned, so it's going to be a bit of hard work, and don't expect them to be a fool either, even though yes, they do like you. Okay, you both do like each other, so maybe this can heal sooner than later, but it's going to be work, so don't take it lightly. All right, so love and light. Take care, Libra. Namaste.